Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue on when you can't follow anyone on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up TikTok right here. For example, you want to follow a certain account, and the first thing that you're going to make sure is to actually check if you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. So just scroll down to your control center right here from the top right part of your screen and make sure that you have your Wi-Fi turned on or your mobile data turned on. And if you have ensured that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working, the next thing that we're going to do is to go to our settings by clicking on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Let's scroll down a bit, and under cache and cellular data, we're going to clear the cache. So hopefully this will also help on fixing this issue. So just click on clear cache and that will clear your cache. And then we can then restart our app by swiping up slowly from here at the bottom part of our screen and restart the app. Once you have done that and it still does not work, just open up your TikTok app again. Go click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner, settings and privacy, and what we're going to do is to report a problem. So under the support section, just click on report a problem. So wait for this to load. And then under the topic section, click on follow, likes, comments, and click on unable to follow a user. So since we have done all these steps, you can just click on no right here because your problem is still not resolved, and just click on need more help. And then you can type in the info of the issue and also attach media files or screenshots as proof, and that is how you can basically fix on when you can't follow anyone on TikTok. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.